Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your cover photos private on Facebook. So it's pretty simple, let's get started. So first of all, you guys have to open up Facebook application on your mobile phone. So after coming to Facebook application on your mobile phone, and make sure that you are logged in with your account. So after logging in with your account, just simply hit on your profile by just tapping on your profile pic. So after tapping on your profile picture, your profile will be opened here. So in order to make your cover photo, like change your cover photo or make your cover photo private, you have to just simply hit this cover photo. So after tapping on cover photo, there are only three options you guys will be able to see. So you have to just simply select the view profile cover and just simply tap on the top right corner of three dots. And here you guys can be able to see there is no any option like make it private or anything else. So what it can do is basically Facebook has removed the option to directly make the private your cover photo, but you guys can what you guys can do is just simply go back, just simply tap on these three dots which is right next to see dashboard. Just simply tapping on these three dots, and here what you have to do is just simply go to, and here you guys can be able to see I have already turned on the professional mode of our Facebook account. So what you have to do is just simply in here you will be able to see the turn your profile to the private mode. So what you have to do is just simply hit that specific option, and in this way you guys can make your profile complete Facebook profile private, and in this way you guys can private your cover photo. And another option is what you guys can do is here you guys can see I have already turned on the professional mode, that's why I'm not able to see that private mode. So in order to see that specific private mode, I have to just simply go to the back and simply go to the top right corner of menu button, and here you have to just simply scroll down, click on setting and privacy to open up the drop down menu. Here you have to just simply select the settings. So after coming to setting, you have to just simply go to the privacy checkup, and here you have to do is just simply select any of the option and browse that specific setting in which you guys can just simply private, or you guys can make private your cover photos. So I hope this method finds you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.